Luke chapter 20. Jesus' authority. One day, when Jesus dey teach people for the temple, the priest oga dem and the law teachers come meet am dey say, make you tell us, na which power you take dey do these things? Na who give you this power sef? Jesus answer dem, make I still ask una one question and make una answer me. John baptism, e come from heaven, abi na from people? They come dey talk with each other say, if we say na from heaven, you go say, then why una not believe am? But if we say na from people, these people go stone us because they believe say John na prophet. So they can't tell Jesus say they don't know where the baptism from come. Then Jesus tell them, me too, not go tell una who give me the power to do all these things. The Tenants Parabol. Jesus can't tell the people one parable. One man rent in grape farm, give tenants, then he travel. When harvest time reach, he can send one servant go meet the tenants, make them give am a share from the harvest. But the tenants beat the servant, can send am go back with empty hand. So he send another servant, and they still beat and do am anyhow, then they can send am back with empty hand. The man can send the third servant go, but the tenants wound am, can throw am outside too. So the grape farm owner can say, wetin I go do now? I go send the only pikin wey I get. Maybe dem go respect am. But when the tenant see the pikin, they can say, na the owner pikin dey come so, make we kill am so that all the property go be our own. They carry the pikin, go outside, come kill am. So, wetin una think say the owner go do the tenants? He go come destroy all these tenants. Then he go give the grape farm to new tenants. When the people hear this, they can't say, may this thing not happen, no. But Jesus look them for face, come ask, wetin God word mean when he say, the stone wey builders reject don't turn to the main stone? Anybody wey fall for this stone go break into pieces, and the person wey the stone fall press, he go die. Then the Pharisee people and the law teachers won't come arrest Jesus for that place, because they know say Jesus dey talk against them. But they fear the people. Pay tax, give Caesar. Then the Pharisee people and the law teachers come dey wash Jesus well. They send some people go pretend like say dem dey follow Jesus, so that they go fit use him word against am, come report am to the Roman governor. So they ask am, teacher, we know say wetin you dey talk correct, and you no dey do wayo, because you dey teach the truth about God. Make you tell us, e good make we pay tax, give Caesar? But Jesus know say na trap. So he can't tell them, make una show me the money. Which person face and name dey? They answer, na Caesar own. So Jesus tell them, then make una give Caesar wetin be Caesar own, and make una give God wetin be God own. So they not fit get am with him word for the people present. They surprised for the answer wey he give, and they not fit talk again. marriage and resurrection. Then some Sadducee people wey not believe say people go wake up from death come meet Jesus. They say, "Teacher, Moses law say if person die leave him wife and the woman not born for am, him brother must to marry the woman wey him husband don die so that he go born children for the brother wey don die." E get one family wey get 7 brothers. The first one marry, but dem not born before the man die. Then the second one come marry the woman. Then the third one until number 7 die too. But the woman not still born for any of them. At last, the woman can't die too. For the day where people go wake up from death, which person wife the woman go be, since all the 7 brothers marry am? So Jesus answered them, "People for the world now they marry, but the people where God go wake up from death carry go heaven, not go marry. They go be like angels and they not go die again. They go be God's children because they don't wake up from death." But even Moses talk say people wey don't die go wake up. Moses talk like this when he write about how he call God, Abraham, Isaac and Jacob God when he dey the bush where they born. Our God not be God for dead people, but na God wey they alive, because for God everybody they alive. Then some law teachers answer, "Teacher, you don't talk well." So they not dare ask Jesus question again. Mezaya, David Pikin, na him be oga God. Jesus can't tell them, wetin make they say Mezaya na David Pikin? Because David himself talk for Psalms book, say, "God tell my oga say, sit down for my right hand until I go put your enemies under your leg." If David call am oga God, how he can't take be David Pikin? Put body down. As all the people they listen, Jesus can't tell him disciples, "Make una guide on ourselves from the law teachers. They like to dey waka with long clothes, make people they shout their name for market and chairs wey better pass for synagogue. Na there then they like to sit down. Then they suffer women with their husband don't die and collect their things. Come they pray long prayer, make people for see them. So na their punishment go big pass."